You tricked me.
Now, be a good little bow wow and fetch me my horn. Oh, Charlie! Follow him! Where are you going, Charlie?
The train station.
Oh, Charlie! Are you nuts? You gave away the horn.
Get out of my way.
You made the deal with him. You promised to Annabelle. And you promised to me too, Charlie.
Itch, I know that. But right now I've got to find David. Move!
Come on, David. Which train?
Where's Charlie? He won't leave me. Huh?
David? David!
Ooh.
Yeah. Bring the item to Alcatraz in 1 hour, or Junior here doesn't have a prayer. Yeah.
Charlie! Where is he? The hour's up.
You know what they say, boss? Patience is...
What?
Maybe he's stuck in traffic.
What kind of dog are you? Selling out to some niggy old cat. Quiet, or I'll have your turn, boy.
Red.
Charlie. The horn.
Let me, boss. I'll fetch him for you.
Gable's horn is finally mine.